In this tutorial, we will go over Blender and the file structure. Over to the right, we have the Blender icon. Click on the Blender icon to open up Blender. So with Blender open, we can see the splash screen. So over here to the right, we have recent files. So these are recent blend files you were working on. In my case, there was a thumbnail.blend that I was working on before this one. Over to the left, we can create a new file by clicking on these types. And what's really cool is it's set up in a specific way. So for example, general is the general setup space, what we're seeing behind the splash screen. The one below it is 2D animation if you want specifically just jump into 2D animation. Below that is sculpting if you want to go straight into sculpting, VFX, and video editing. So this will set up Blender specifically for those type of workflows. Now I can click on any one of these, or I can click outside of the splash screen. And now we're in the new Blender session. To save, on the top left-hand side, right by the Blender icon, there is File. Click on File. Now click Save. So now let's save this into a safe location. So let's just call this whatever we want. Now let me navigate to a folder that I want. I'm going to click the up arrow, 27, and I'm going to click Save Blender File. Now, if I close this and navigate to the folder, we can see whatever we want, .blend. So double clicking on whatever we want .blend will open up that blend file. So that is the basic structure for the blend files.